We have reviews from all over the internet to provide you with the most comprehensive and unbiased overview of the AUXITO Car Vacuum Portable Cordless. 14,000 pascals, powerful suction, handheld vacuum blow, and suction 2-in-1. Small vacuum cleaner handheld vacuum for car, home, pet, office. If you own this item, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The product link is in the description, and using it helps support the channel. The AUXITO Car Vacuum stands out in a crowded market of portable cleaning devices, and the consensus from users across various platforms is overwhelmingly positive. This review will cover its features, performance, usability, strengths, weaknesses, and overall impression, based on aggregated real-world experiences and expert analysis. The AUXITO Car Vacuum is designed as a 4-in-1 multifunctional cordless cleaning tool. It is equipped with a range of nozzles to meet diverse needs, including vacuuming, blowing, inflating, and pumping. Users consistently highlight the versatility this brings, allowing them to clean car seats, trunks, floor mats, computer keyboards, sofas, carpets, and hard-to-reach places. The ability to inflate items like yoga balls and swimming rings, as well as vacuum air from storage bags, is seen as a significant advantage, especially for those who travel or camp frequently. This multifunctionality is a recurring theme in user feedback, with many noting that it reduces the need for multiple devices and streamlines their cleaning and organizing routines. Central to the AUXITO's appeal is its powerful suction. The upgraded high-speed brushless motor delivers up to 14,000 pascals of suction, which users describe as impressive for a handheld device. There are two suction modes, 8,500 pascals and 14,000 pascals, catering to different cleaning requirements. Reviewers consistently report that the vacuum easily picks up stubborn sand, dust, crumbs, and pet hair, even in tight spaces. The high suction power is particularly appreciated by pet owners and parents who often deal with challenging messes in cars and homes. Some users note that the suction can weaken if the battery is low, especially on the high-speed mode, so timely charging is recommended for optimal performance. Portability is another major strength of the AUXITO Car Vacuum. Weighing only 1 pound, it is as light as a standard bottle of water. The cordless design eliminates the hassle of tangled cords and allows users to clean every corner of their car or home with ease. Its compact size, combined with the included carrying bag, makes it easy to store in a glove compartment, trunk, or even a backpack. Many users mention that they keep the vacuum in their car for quick cleanups after road trips, business travel, or daily commutes. The lightweight construction also means that children can use the vacuum, making it a practical tool for families who want to encourage kids to help with cleaning. Battery life and charging convenience are frequently praised. The vacuum can run continuously for up to 30 minutes on the low-speed setting, which is generally sufficient for cleaning a standard car interior or several rooms in a house. It can be fully charged in 3 to 4 hours using the included Type-C charging cable, which is compatible with laptops, car USB ports, and mobile power supplies. This flexibility is valued by users who are often on the go, as it means the vacuum can be charged almost anywhere. The absence of a dedicated adapter is not seen as a major drawback since most people already own USB chargers. Users also appreciate the battery's longevity with a typical lifespan of 3 years, adding to the product's value proposition. Ease of use is a recurring highlight in user reviews. The AUXITO features a 160 milliliters dust collection cup, which is larger than many competing handheld vacuums. This allows users to clean more without frequent emptying. The dustbin is simple to remove and empty, and the washable HEPA filter ensures that maintenance is straightforward and hygienic. Users note that the vacuum is easy to operate with intuitive push-button controls and a comfortable grip. The variety of included attachments such as the brush, suction nozzle, trumpet nozzle, and medium and large nozzles enables users to tackle a wide range of cleaning tasks. The attachments fit securely and are designed to reach into small crevices, making it easy to clean vents, dashboards, upholstery, and even computer keyboards. Durability and build quality receive high marks from reviewers. The vacuum feels solid and well constructed, with a sleek black finish that looks modern and professional. The inclusion of a metal filter screen and replaceable HEPA filter adds to the sense of longevity and reliability. Users who have owned the vacuum for several months report that it continues to perform well, with no significant drop in suction or battery life. The product's design is also praised for being both functional and aesthetically pleasing, making it a welcome addition to any car or home. In terms of performance, the AUXITO car vacuum consistently meets or exceeds user expectations. It is effective at picking up a wide range of debris, from fine dust to larger crumbs and pet hair. The blower function is particularly useful for cleaning out vents and tight spaces, as well as inflating air mattresses and other inflatables. Users who camp or travel frequently find this feature especially valuable, as it allows them to maintain a clean and comfortable environment wherever they go. The vacuum's runtime is sufficient for most cleaning tasks, and the quick recharge time means it is rarely out of commission for long. One of the standout aspects of the AUXITO car vacuum is its versatility. Users report using it not only in cars, but also in homes, offices, and even tents. The ability to switch between vacuuming, blowing, inflating, and pumping makes it a true multi-purpose tool. This versatility is particularly appreciated by families, pet owners, and anyone who values efficiency and convenience in their cleaning routines. The vacuum's compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry between locations, and the included carrying bag ensures that all attachments and accessories are kept organized and accessible. The AUXITO car vacuum has received strong ratings across multiple platforms, with an average of 4.3 out of 5 stars from over 500 reviewers. Users frequently describe it as a must-have for anyone who wants to keep their car or home spotless. The combination of powerful suction, long battery life, easy maintenance, and versatile functionality makes it a standout in its category. Many reviewers note that they have purchased additional units for family members or as gifts, underscoring the product's broad appeal and reliability. While the vast majority of feedback is positive, there are a few areas where users see room for improvement. Some mention that the dustbin, while larger than average, still needs to be emptied during extended cleaning sessions, especially in heavily soiled vehicles. Others note that the vacuum's suction can decrease if the battery is not fully charged, particularly when using the high-speed mode. A handful of users would have preferred a dedicated charging adapter, but most agree that the USB charging option is convenient and flexible. Noise level is rated at 75 decibels, which is typical for handheld vacuums and not considered excessively loud by most users. The AUXITO car vacuum is positioned as a premium yet affordable solution for portable cleaning. Its price point is seen as justified by the quality of materials, range of features, and overall performance. The inclusion of multiple attachments, a washable HEPA filter, and a carrying bag adds to the value, making it a comprehensive package for anyone seeking a reliable and efficient cleaning tool. The vacuum's performance in real-world conditions matches or exceeds its marketing claims, and user testimonials consistently reinforce its status as a top choice in the category. In summary, the AUXITO Cars vacuum portable cordless 14,000 pascals powerful suction handheld vacuum stands out as a highly effective, versatile, and user-friendly cleaning tool. Its powerful suction, long battery life, and range of attachments make it suitable for a wide variety of cleaning tasks, from cars to homes to outdoor activities. The vacuum's lightweight and compact design ensures that it is easy to use and store, while its durable construction and washable filter contribute to long-term reliability. Users across the internet agree that it is a must-have for anyone who values cleanliness, convenience, and efficiency. If you are considering a portable vacuum for your car, home, or travel needs, the AUXITO car vacuum is a product that delivers on its promises and is well worth your consideration. Remember to check the link in the description to support the channel, and if you have experience with this vacuum, leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed choice.